just really thin coat. So now here's what's really important. If you are doing it like as treat as the press on, which is mean, your clients can have an option to do it using the air dry glue, the nails glue, or using the tip extension glue gels. Either way, so if you are doing is glue gel with air dry, then you can definitely cover the color, which is mean you can use the opaque colors, like getting any colors you want, and you don't have to worry about is semi-transparent. But then if you are using the tip extension glue gel, which is that you're going to use it to adhere it, and using LED light, LED lamp to cure, make sure you are going to dress it up and do whatever you want designs. Make sure that the part of the nail plates which where you are going to adhere your tips on, you make sure that is kind of semi-transparent, so then that way it can penetrate and it adhere all the way through the tips, and make sure that the gels underneath will be clear. So now I finished with the first coat. I'm going to do one coat only because I'm going to do some of the cute designs and the French looks, and I'm going to go ahead and using, while waiting for those nails to, those tips to dry in 60 seconds under the LED light, I am going to use the Time for Me to Shine, which is the Disco Flash Gels, which is congratulations to the winner last week. And please looking forward for another giveaway. We're having some really cool giveaways coming up. But thank you so much everyone for participate and naming this. It is so cool and so fun to have you being a part of Glitz journeys, as we're so excited to be part of your journey. So thank you. And then we are going to use this color, which is the blushing rose number 56. So only 6 color. It's just, you have to see this beauty in person, because it's hard to see. Like, to me, if it look like this, it's not interested in me at all. But you gotta see it, like, just to see it when you have it under the spotlights or wherever you go. Either you go into the restaurant or go shopping or whatever, is all of a sudden, oh my god, my nail looks so sparkle. Like on the other days I went to the eyes exam, and as we're talking to the I think it's a receptionist, and then all of a sudden I see my nails with the spotlight hitting. I said, oh my gosh, I didn't realize that my nails have a disco flash gels on. It's so freaking stunning. So now, Sammy, so don't be surprised, because when you're in the trick show, you're gonna see the lights gonna hit this gels. We'll hope that no one's gonna be jelly of your nails, because it's gonna be so gorgeous. So okay, so this one is ready for me to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this blushing rose, and we are going to apply it on the tip. What we're gonna do is all of this, and I'm gonna drop 1 drop just right here, because just in case we are going to touch it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a smaller amount of the blushing rose and apply it. There's 1,000 different ways for you to do the French looks on the nails. So do what it works the best. Some of you will do side down, and then some will just draw one of the line first. Whatever it works, and whatever is makes you feel really comfortable and enjoy the most when you're doing in the art, whether you're doing for the press on or for your clients. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all 5 nails, and don't worry about if it's not perfect at the moment. You can able to really like clean up whatever you don't want. I am go ahead and apply it all 10 nails, 5 nails. Well, if you're doing all 10 nails at once, 10 tip is 1, then you can do that as well. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna take this off. Should I keep it?
You can hang it there.
Hey, I miss it. I want this nail to be like really dramatic, like crystal. So just remove it. I keep forgetting that putting on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a second coat as well. All right, perfect. So now I'm not using the basically the twin tips, not twin tips, the 3D brush is so versatile. So you can use so many different ways, and use just a little bit of alcohol. And I'm gonna just dip it in right here to just clean that one up. And you're just cleaning whatever that you feel like it's just getting in the way. And so then you can able to get it perfect. Your smile like you want. I'm gonna put it here because it keeps sliding off from that plate. And it looks really good. So far, so good. That's it. And I'm gonna clear this one. 60 seconds. And again, I'm using the coffin mediums, and then the option you can trim it shorter as you prefer. And we're gonna go back with the second coat. It looks so freaking gorgeous in person instead of under the camera, right? See. Hey, Lily. Hey, Angtin, how are you? From Facebook. Hey, Instagram fam, Facebook fam, YouTube fam, TikTok, Twitch. Hope y'all have a fabulous Monday and productive Monday. Was so excited to be back in ABS this year. Is back in April, so we're so excited. We'll be there on April 9, April 10, and April 11. So excited to see everyone come and stop by and say hello. She's what is news and pick up some free gift from us. All right. You know, it just depends on how you want your, and in the meantime, I'm gonna using the brush number 4, 3, or twin tip brush is either ways, either one is work. So I'm gonna give it like a quick line, give it more precise. And then finish the rest of them. Great, so we are going to go ahead and clear for 60 seconds.